How to fix WhatsApp download failed easily and fast. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps, go to the WhatsApp and then click on data usage and then disable the roaming data and the background data. Click on the storage and then click on clear cache. Go back again, click on this force stop option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And now you have to do one last thing, which is you have to update your WhatsApp in the Play Store or the App Store. Just go to the search bar, search for WhatsApp and click on update. That's it guys. After you update your WhatsApp, the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you may have a problem in your Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.